Hi dear, today I'd like to share with you my 5 Christmas outfits that style with color red. The first outfit I go with red. Here I pair a red dress with a polka dot top. I decided to go with those long killer boots. They are so freaking cute. Those boots are so hard to put on when I stand up. Well, what is this chair for? Why don't I just sit down at the beginning? Yup, I didn't thought about that. However, they're really tight. I don't think this is gonna fit me if I put on just one extra pair. Seriously. This look is the most Christmas look compared to all. So why not put on your Christmas hat? The belt I put on before, I think is too thick. So I changed to this belt. I think this belt made me look a little slimmer. For this look, the focal point is Christmas hat, belt, and the boots. My belt is too long, so I just tie it like regular belt, but I flip it to the opposite side. This way it looks pretty decorative. Also, it's functional. All the looks here, I assume it's gonna be a indoor party. So if it's outdoor, just put a jacket on. For example, like this navy, like darker color jacket goes well with everything. In this video, I put on this jacket on 5 of the looks. They all look great. For the second look, it's sweet and feminine. I pair a pink cashmere sweater with a red burgundy skirt. This skirt is a little bit long for my somewhat short figure. Yes, I'm only 5'2". But no need to worry because there's something called heels. With a red heel, I look taller and more feminine immediately. I'm dancing with my Post Malone songs. I look a little bit crazy here. For this look, the focal point is your collarbone to the chest and your legs because those are the parts shows the most skin. For the neck area, I suggest to wear either no jewelry or very small classy jewelry because we want to see your neckline and your collarbone. That's the area show your skin. If you wear too heavy jewelry, your whole body might look a bit heavy. I put on this striped pink and navy color belt, and also this belt is a bit too long, so I just flip it and tuck it in. For this look, the belt is the only accessory I have because the pink and the red color already really bright, so I want to make it more simple, sweet, comfortable look. See, this look still look good with a jacket on. For the third look, I'm going for comfy, chill. I put no effort, but I still look good whatsoever. That kind of look. I pair with a light gray sweater and a burgundy red pants. By the way, light gray and burgundy always look good together. Always. For this look, the focal point is the neckline and your heels. Since we want to see your pretty neckline, so I suggest you tie your hair up. For the sweater, I suggest you tuck the middle part into your pants because if you put the whole thing out, it just looks a little bit too laid back. Also, make you look a little bit shorter. At least that's for my case. For the neck area, I do want a longer, bigger, reddish color necklace. However, I don't have, so I am being creative and create one. I have this orange reddish color belt and I just tie it like regular how you tie a belt on your neck. Just pull out some like extra, so make it like a pear shape. Now I have a long reddish necklace now. The good thing is I don't need to buy any new necklace for this look. Don't forget your heels if this is what you're trying to pull off. Also, still look good with the jacket on. I'm not trying again. You know what? I want to slap myself. My fourth look is a big preppy look. I pair a good old red sweater with a button-on shirt and my plaid navy and red pants. Also with a pair of gray Oxford shoes. Oh, I almost forgot my gray hat. For this look, the focal point is gonna be your head and with not really good on your neck. So in my case, I put this, I have no idea what's this called. I think like a bow thing. I got it from eBay. You can put whatever you want, like a scarf, like a tie, or like a bow necklace, because this it's gonna be your focal point. Some decoration really great. I also suggest you to pull your hair up because your neck is the only skin you are showing in this outfit. So we want to see a little bit skin here. For the shirt, I suggest go with a white column shirt. I also changed my Oxford shoelace to red. It was black before. I think this way will match my red sweater. I think sometimes a little bit change will enhance the whole look. Well, my Post Malone song still on. Again, it still look good with the same old jacket. Hey, do I look cool? Oh yeah, you look cool. Okay, that's a pretty bad one. The fifth, also the last look, it's a subtle, sexy, but still conservative. I think it's great for a date. That kind of look. I pair a red dress with a long black sweater. I also put this thick belt out with my black bread hat because I think black is a little bit more settled for this look. Again, I'm going for a settled, sexy look. Don't forget your black heels. For this look, your focal point is gonna be your collarbone to the chest area, also your legs. Again, that's the parts you show your skin. If you want to go for more casual, effortless, then you can take out the belt. Only the dress with the sweater looks good too. Looking good if you put on the same jacket if it's cold outside. I believe most of you guys already have one piece of clothing. It's red color, they're ready. Why not just use what you have and style the heck out of it? Save money, have fun, enjoy your holiday. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Here is how it looks like right now. I have a lot of cleanup to do, so I will see you next time.